friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to cut an apple like a pro. You have two benefits cutting in this way. First one, the wastage of the apple is totally avoided. Second, you can wrap it up again and store it for almost 8 hours and your apple is going to stay fresh so long. Very helpful apple cutting hack, so let's quickly check out the things you require and get started. Today I've taken a fresh apple. Place the apple upside down so that the stem is facing the cutting board. You need a very sharp knife for cutting this apple. Now instead of cutting in the center as we always do, make a cut slightly before the calyx and another cut slightly after the calyx. Place both the slices back in place and rotate it to a 90-degree angle and make cuts likewise. One cut before the calyx and another one after the calyx. Now release your hands. 8 apple slices are ready and none of them have the core or the seeds. By just making 4 cuts, you can get the core and seeds separated. The best part of this hack is you can repack, or you can say replace all the slices back in place and seal it using a rubber band. By doing this, you can store this apple for at least 8 hours. You can pack this apple for your kids and they can easily discard the core and the seeds and enjoy the flesh of the apple nice and fresh. Very easy and helpful apple cutting hack. So do try this apple cutting hack at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.